Just back up.
I don't have time to back up sometimes.
I know. You work on it.
See, now I have to back up. See that?
That's nice.
I backed up.
Yeah.
Back up.
Yep. That was good.
Now you don't back up.
Yeah, you hit it like a half a step. That was a half a step. Nice. That's good racket preparation. I see you bringing that racket back,
Yeah, I'm trying to mentally note it.
which is important.
Racket preparation, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, because you told me that to prepare before
Right.
it even comes in.
right. And
Oh!
ace!
That was a corner!
That was an ace.
Alright.
Nice.
Ah, too much. Ah, too much!
And in doubles.
That was double!
You double hit
That was a
that one
double
again.
hitting!
You double hit that one again. I don't know how you do that.
I don't know. I think I try it and I don't strike it twice. I don't go like that, right?
No, you don't have time to hit
No,
it twice.
go like